Did you know over 100,000 Americans start dialysis each year due to elevated creatinine levels leading to kidney failure? This alarming statistic could include anyone, but fear not. Our latest guide is your beacon of hope. I'm so glad you're here because today I'm going to share with you 7 simple daily habits that can quickly lower your creatinine levels and help you avoid dialysis. High creatinine levels can indicate that your kidneys are failing and that you may need dialysis, which is a treatment that artificially removes waste products and excess fluid from your blood. Dialysis can be life-saving, but it can also be very inconvenient, expensive, and risky. That's why it's so important to lower your creatinine levels and improve your kidney function before it's too late. And the good news is that you can do that by following some simple daily habits that can make a huge difference for your kidney health. These habits are based on scientific research and proven results, and they are suitable for anyone who wants to take care of their kidneys and overall health. Discover how these 7 easy-to-follow daily habits can significantly reduce your creatinine levels. These habits are practical, backed by science, and can seamlessly fit into your daily routine, offering you a chance to prevent the dreaded outcome of kidney failure. These habits are simple, but they are also very powerful and effective. Habit 1. Reduce vigorous exercise. Let's talk about a simple change that can significantly benefit your kidney health: reducing intense physical activities. It's not as hard as it sounds. Instead of engaging in strenuous exercises like heavy weightlifting, rapid running, or participating in marathons, consider gentler options. Keeping your heart rate in the sweet spot of 100 to 120 beats per minute during exercise is key. Activities like brisk walking, swimming, or light aerobics are excellent choices. They're not only enjoyable, but also kinder to your kidneys. Vigorous exercises can temporarily elevate creatinine levels in your blood, indicating increased strain on your kidneys. However, this effect is usually short-lived, lasting about 2 to 3 days before levels return to normal. By choosing milder forms of exercise, you're helping maintain steady creatinine levels, which is crucial for good kidney health. Remember, it's about finding a balance that keeps your body active while being gentle on your kidneys. One of my patients, who loved running marathons, noticed a significant decrease in creatinine levels after switching to less intense activities like swimming and yoga. This change not only improved her kidney function, but also enhanced her overall well-being. In my practice, I've seen the benefits of moderated exercise firsthand. A middle-aged man with elevated creatinine levels started incorporating brisk walking and light aerobics into his routine. Over a few months, his creatinine levels dropped significantly, showing the impact of choosing gentler forms of exercise. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. Habit 2. Avoid smoking. Smoking can damage your blood vessels and reduce blood flow to your kidneys, which can impair their ability to filter out creatinine and other toxins. Smoking can also increase your blood pressure, which can harm your kidneys and raise your creatinine levels. According to a study, smokers have higher creatinine levels than non-smokers, and quitting smoking can lower creatinine levels by 10% within 1 year. Another study found that smoking cessation can improve kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney failure and death in people with chronic kidney disease. Therefore, it is advisable to quit smoking if you want to lower your creatinine levels and protect your kidneys. Quitting smoking can also reduce your risk of other diseases, such as heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Quitting smoking is not easy, but it is possible. You can use various methods and strategies to help you quit, such as nicotine replacement therapy, medication, counseling, hypnosis, acupuncture, or support groups. You can also ask your doctor for advice and assistance. Quitting smoking is a simple but effective habit that can help you lower your creatinine levels and avoid dialysis. One of my patients, a long-term smoker with chronic kidney disease, managed to quit smoking with the help of a support group and nicotine patches. Within a year, his creatinine levels had dropped significantly and his overall kidney function improved. In my practice, I've seen the dramatic effects of smoking cessation on kidney health. A patient who had been smoking for decades experienced a remarkable improvement in kidney function after quitting. His creatinine levels dropped, and he felt healthier overall, illustrating the significant benefits of stopping smoking. Habit 3. Avoid certain supplements. Let's talk about a crucial aspect of kidney health that often goes unnoticed: the impact of certain supplements, particularly those containing creatine or creatinine. This advice is especially relevant for those who are into muscle building, as these supplements are popular in that community for their ability to enhance muscle growth quickly. Creatine, when ingested, is converted into creatinine in the body. While creatine is well known for its benefits in muscle development and energy boosting, it poses a lesser-known risk to kidney health. Scientific studies have shown that excessive intake of creatine can lead to an increase in the body's creatinine levels. This increase is a concern because creatinine is a waste product that the kidneys filter out of the blood. The primary function of the kidneys is to filter waste and extra fluids from the blood. When creatinine levels are high, it indicates that the kidneys may not be working as effectively as they should. In individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions or those at risk, the extra burden from increased creatinine levels can exacerbate kidney problems, potentially leading to chronic kidney disease or worsened kidney function. One of my patients, an avid bodybuilder, experienced elevated creatinine levels due to his use of creatine supplements. After discontinuing these supplements and focusing on natural protein sources, his creatinine levels normalized and his kidney function improved. In my practice, I've encountered many patients who unknowingly put their kidneys at risk by using certain supplements. One young athlete, who regularly used creatine, saw a significant drop in his creatinine levels after stopping the supplement. His experience underscores the importance of being cautious with dietary supplements, especially for those with kidney concerns. Habit 4. Reduce protein intake. Reducing protein intake, particularly from sources like red meat and dairy products, can have a significant impact on kidney health. This doesn't necessarily mean adopting a completely vegan or vegetarian diet, although these are healthy options. The focus is on being conscious of the type and amount of protein consumed. Red meat and dairy are high in certain proteins that, when metabolized, result in the production of more creatinine, a waste product that the kidneys filter from the blood. When these protein sources are consumed in large amounts, they can temporarily increase the level of creatinine, putting additional strain on the kidneys to filter this excess. Scientific research has shown that a diet lower in protein, especially animal protein, can be beneficial for people with kidney issues or at risk of developing them. This is because a lower protein diet reduces the kidney's workload, thereby slowing the progression of kidney disease and improving overall kidney function. This doesn't mean protein should be entirely eliminated from the diet, as it's essential for various bodily functions, but rather that the source and amount of protein should be carefully considered to support your kidney health effectively. Consider a balanced approach to protein intake by focusing on leaner sources like chicken and plant-based options. A moderate consumption of chicken, approximately 2 to 3 servings per week, is ideal. Each serving, ideally 3 to 4 ounces, 85 to 113 grams, about the size of a deck of cards, provides enough protein to meet your dietary needs without overburdening your kidneys. In addition to lean meats, incorporating plant-based proteins into your diet can be highly beneficial. Options such as vegan chicken patties are not only delightful and satisfying, but also tend to be easier to digest. These plant-based alternatives have a minimal impact on creatinine levels, making them an excellent choice for maintaining healthy kidney function. In my practice, I have guided many patients through dietary changes that included reducing protein intake. One patient, a woman with early-stage kidney disease, saw a significant improvement in her creatinine levels after switching to a diet with more plant-based proteins and reducing her consumption of red meat. Habit 5. Increase fiber intake. Increasing fiber intake is an essential step towards better kidney health. Incorporating high-fiber foods into one's diet, such as apples, can make a significant difference. An effective and convenient way to boost fiber intake is by using supplements like psyllium. This fiber supplement, which contains a higher fiber content, can be easily added to various meals without changing their texture or flavor. Even mixing it with water is an option, as it remains undetectable while effectively increasing fiber consumption by about 4 to 8 grams per meal. Aiming for a daily fiber intake of 30 to 35 grams is not only achievable, but also beneficial for kidney health. Scientific evidence supports the role of dietary fiber in improving overall health, including that of the kidneys. Fiber aids in digestion and helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, reducing the strain on the kidneys. Additionally, a high-fiber diet is linked to lower risks of developing various kidney-related conditions, including chronic kidney disease. It helps in managing blood pressure and reducing inflammation, both of which are crucial for maintaining healthy kidney function. One of my patients who struggled with high creatinine levels incorporated more high-fiber foods into his diet and used psyllium supplements regularly. Over time, his creatinine levels decreased significantly, and he experienced improved kidney function. In my practice, I have observed the positive effects of increased fiber intake on kidney health. A patient, who was initially resistant to dietary changes, eventually embraced a high-fiber diet and experienced a noticeable improvement in her creatinine levels and overall well-being. Habit 6. Drink adequate water. Staying well hydrated is fundamental for kidney health, as it helps in the efficient removal of creatinine from the body. Drinking adequate water, especially filtered water, can significantly improve kidney function. Incorporating hydration-promoting foods, such as watermelon, further enhances this process. Watermelon, in particular, is rich in water content and provides additional benefits to kidney health. Using lemon in water not only makes it more enjoyable to drink, but also offers other health benefits. Proper hydration ensures that the kidneys can effectively filter waste products, including creatinine, from the blood. Studies have shown that adequate water intake is crucial for maintaining kidney function and preventing the buildup of waste products. Drinking water throughout the day, rather than large quantities at once, helps maintain a steady flow of fluids through the kidneys, promoting optimal function. One of my patients, who had been struggling with high creatinine levels, began incorporating watermelon into his diet and increased his daily water intake. Within a few weeks, his creatinine levels showed a marked improvement, demonstrating the importance of hydration. In my practice, I have seen the significant impact of proper hydration on kidney health. A patient, who was initially reluctant to drink more water, eventually adopted this habit and experienced a substantial decrease in his creatinine levels. This change not only improved his kidney function, but also his overall health and energy levels. Habit 7. Avoid non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. Avoiding non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, is crucial for kidney health. These medications can cause kidney damage when used frequently or in high doses. Instead, opting for alternative pain management methods such as acetaminophen or natural remedies can help maintain kidney function. NSAIDs can reduce blood flow to the kidneys, impairing their function and increasing creatinine levels. Chronic use of these drugs is linked to an increased risk of kidney damage and chronic kidney disease. By avoiding NSAIDs and choosing safer alternatives, you can protect your kidneys and prevent the rise of creatinine levels. A patient who frequently used ibuprofen for chronic pain noticed a significant decrease in creatinine levels after switching to acetaminophen and incorporating natural pain relief methods like physical therapy and herbal supplements. In my practice, I have seen the adverse effects of NSAIDs on kidney health. One patient, who relied heavily on ibuprofen for pain management, experienced improved kidney function and lower creatinine levels after discontinuing NSAIDs and exploring alternative pain relief methods. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. Lowering your creatinine levels and avoiding dialysis is possible by following these 7 simple daily habits. By making these changes, you can improve your kidney function, protect your overall health, and avoid the inconvenience and risks of dialysis. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your kidneys. Implement these habits today and experience the benefits of better kidney health. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope these tips help you on your journey to better kidney health. Stay tuned for more health advice and tips in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Take care and stay healthy.